Welcome back friends. From this video I shall start making this section top featured proposals, and this kind of carousel will be brought to show. So first of all, I click over new tab and I write here all carousel. This is the first link, home all carousel. So I open it in new tab to avoid any confusion. So this is the all face picture is showing. So I will click over download 2.2.1 22.1 sorry. So I click over download. Start. It has been downloaded, or inside download compressed and or closer. So I close it and I also close this one. I also close this one. So now I go to my computer and I go to downloads, compressed. This is the all carousel zip format. I extract here, all carousel. I have double click over this folder. I would like to show you that after extracting this all carousel, this folder has been made. So I have double clicked over it and now I go inside the dist, the top one, and now I'm going to copy this one, all dot carousel dot min.js. So you will also copy this one and I go to C JS file, go to XAMPP, htdocs, freelance, and this JS folder which is inside the freelance. So I paste it here. Now I go back to downloads, compressed, this one all carousel, and once again dist assets, and this one and this one. These two files, all.carousel.css, all.theme.default.css. So these two files you will also copy. I am going to copy them, and now I go back to C, XAMPP, htdocs, freelance, and styles which is inside the freelance, because CSS folders, these are the CSS files. So I paste them here. Now first I go back to freelance after pasting them here, and now I come back to my code editor. Now I link them. I link all these three files here. First I press Ctrl D 2 times because two files belong to CSS. So now I change its address. It is styles folder /. First one is all.carousel.css, and the second one is styles folder, all.theme / default.css. I would like to show you. Sorry, it was the dot, not / because we use / for folder, and this is the file. So I show you these two. One inside this CSS, one is this one, all.theme.default.css, and the other one is this one, all.carousel.css. So now I should attach the JavaScript file. So I come down and I duplicate this one. friend, it should be at the top, so I duplicate the top one. So I have duplicated this one. You can also put it here, but sometime it creates some problem. So I think its place is here exact. The last one is js custom.js. all.crowser.min.js. So when I show you this JS, this one all.crowser.min.js. So this file also has been linked here. Now I come back to freelance. So friend, now I take it this scroll bar at top, and I will make some amendment in it is CSS code. So I open this file, this one CSS all.crowser.css file. I open it, I go to file, I click open, go inside the styles, and I open this one all.crowser.css, and I come down. Friend, this is the width 100%. I would like to show you that this is the class all, sorry, this one all dash carousel space dot all dash item img, the image class which has been given to this img tag. So I am going to remove this one. So now I close this file. Now I am going to open this page all.theme.default.css. I open it inside the styles, this one. Now this is the width of this class dot all dash theme space dot all dash dots space dot all dash dots and span tag. The width which has been given to span, because this span is inside these classes. So I have changed it to 10 to 15 pixels. And also I have changed its height to 15 pixels. So now I am going to close this one. So friend, these were the little changes which were to made essential. So I have made these changes after opening these two files. One is image class and one is span class, span tag. So now I go back to my home page. This is the home.php, and I shall start working over this section to show over this page. This is the page which is being made, and this carousel. First I shall show this text, and then down these images, and this carousel will be shown right under this platform section. But I think this video has been made enough long, so I shall come back in next video to show